Hi all, today we'll see another idea on painted paper series. I've used purple mixed with white. This is kind of dark purple, so I've mixed it with white. I've given one coat with water and then the second coat directly with the color. Once you have painted, let it dry completely. Once dried, I have used painted pen markers for the first 3 daisies. I just didn't find it okay, so I'm just using white acrylic color. I'm just painting the bottom part of the daisy and then the top part. You can do it either way, it's of your choice. Just fill in the daisies in the paper. Here is the filled one. I'm using yellow mixed with a little bit of orange to give the center part of the daisy. It has to be like a semicircle, or you can do it a oval kind of thing for the center part. It is not necessary that every center one has to be an oval one or a semicircle one. It has to be a random one only, okay? I have filled in all the center part. Make sure that you have completely dried the paper and then go to the next process. But here I am just showing you the next process. I have taken a black color permanent marker, or you can do this with paint as well, black color paint. I'm just going to give in a dots on the white and on the mustard. It has to be a regular dots. It should not be a regular dot, okay? This is the finished paper. We can see the dots as well. Hope you like the series. Please like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.